Hi, today I will show you how I've created this A-22B gun from Cyberpunk. I'm medic 3D and I do a lot of 3D printing related stuff. This time I printed Kangtao A-22B Chao gun from Cyberpunk 2077. All files are created by Shrapsy, Bart van der Westerlaken, and can be found on my mini factory. Link in the description below. I have everything printed in black PLA, golden PLA and silver PLA. Also I've printed in translucent PETG this lens part. It looks kinda white, but whatever. And for the hardware I only need 4 magnets, 3 by 5 millimeters I guess. And for the wire I'm using an old PTFE tube cut to length. And in order to make it black I will use a heat shrink tube. For the glue I will use this Ravel glue for the plastic models and regular CA glue. I will start assembly by gluing all the small pieces. The glue has dried, so now I am ready for the final assembly. I was able to glue and assemble everything. Unfortunately, the PTFE tube is not elastic enough and I wasn't able to glue it properly here. But for now I will leave it as is, because I do not have a proper wire to replace it. This is how it should be mounted. And it kinda works, but it is a little bit too wobbly. So my idea is to modify it further. I will add a magnet right here and probably a magnet here or here to hold everything in place. My idea is to use a drill bit to make holes right here and insert magnets there, so the barrel will be held in place really firmly and will not fall apart while moving the gun. So let's do it. The glue has dried here and here. Now I can test it. And as you can see, it kinda works, but the thing I still don't like is that this part is too easy to rotate and it just tends to turn over by itself. So I will try to add another pair of magnets somewhere right here, so the pointer will stay in this place. The glue has dried, so now it's time for the final check if everything works as I would like it to. Now it works much better. The additional magnets did their job. I am still able to quite easily remove the barrel, just like so, put it inside, rotate this part and the gun is ready to go. Still, it is a little bit too weak connection, so I could use bigger magnets, but it's quite okay. But if I will use the gun with too much force, the barrel will just fall off, like so. But I think it might be the feature of this gun, not a bug. Watch my other videos, they are right there, waiting just for you. And tell me in the comments what's your favorite gun from Cyberpunk 2077 and whether did you play the game.